Hello everybody, this is Raymond Barkle, and this one I got another package. This may be a Christmas movie, because it's almost, because the holidays are going to close, so I need to open it. It's Rosendo! Opening the package first, and now I got a new Stems clothing. Or else I get... There was a remake from 1994 with Mara Wilson. Mara Wilson is a good actress. The remake is in between these two, Miracle on 34th Street, these two, The Wonderful Life. They're same Christmas movies. Same thing as they told. It's Christmas is around the corner. I'm just opening. Yeah, this is Miracle on 34th Street. Wow, I was very happy to find this. It's coming in a slipcover. A cherished holiday family tradition. Front, spine, the back. This is a 2006 DVD. I also have the 1999 DVD. I have the 1993 VHS, which was in color, and the 97 VHS. This is the same critic as in the 99, but I'm reading a Miracle of Originality, says the New York Post. Special features has the all-new colored version. A commentary by Maureen O'Hara. Don't quote me on that. Original version in black and white. Feature audio commentary by Maureen O'Hara. AMC backstory. Miracle on 34th Street. Vox Movie Tone News. Cover footage.
What's your house?
I'm showing a package video. Miracle on 34th Street TV version. I'm showing a package video, but... following history featurette, promotional short, and a poster gallery. This says now in full color. Miracle on 34th Street is an irresistible fable that has for many years become synonymous with celebrating Christmas. And now this 3-time Oscar-winning tale is as colorful and resplendent as the holiday itself in an all-new colored version. I can say colored. That shirt is the light fans old and new. The holiday season is in full swing when a cultured gentleman and a snowy beard, Edmund Gwen, is hired as Macy department store Santa. He claims his name is Kris Kringle and soon fills everyone Christmas spirit except for his boss, Doris Walker. Maureen O'Hara is raising her daughter, Natalie Wood, to not believe in Santa. But when Kringle is declared insane and put on trial, everyone's fate is put to the test, and young and old alike face the age-old question: do you believe in Santa Claus? This is... No, sorry, the front. This is an eco case. This may be an eco case. Trust me, why it's in an eco case? Because I have to open it now. This is a 1947 movie, but I'll have to wait for the 1994 version. This is a 2006 DVD. I guess this must be the 2006 DVD. I have to open it up. It's released on November 21st, 2006. I have to open it. I'm opening now. I'm opening this DVD, Mom, while she's coming back again. So we should. This is not your room, so stop being in here.
Don't say that one.
Because I'm showing a package video.
Look at it.
Yeah.
I'm paying that. Don't say don't do that. This stuff?
Somebody got this. This is a good Christmas movie. In full screen. And here's this one with the movie. And this too with the bonus features. There you have it for my package video. Backstory. Do you know what Miracle on 34th Street is? Miracle on 34th Street has a 1994 version with different cast, but it is a good movie. Yep, I'm gonna watch this on Thanksgiving. The colored version came out in 1985, and the 47 version came out in 47 or 96 minutes. It's an all-new colored version with the they restored its original logo, a colored version, all new. A Wonderful Life also has the colored version. That's all for my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.